everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then hello, my name is Shana, and today me and most of the families, so everyone minus Kobe, are actually at Trout, I think it's called, in Scotland. So Tom worked last night and we've decided to try and make the most. Yeah! We've decided to try and make the most of Sunday before we go home. We're picking Kirby up tomorrow, so we can get back as late as we want to tonight. Paisley seems to be coping very well. Coping very well, don't you? And yes, we're going to see, we might get on a ferry, we might not, but this is technically Paisley's first out of the womb country. Yay! Yay! We'll bring you along with the journey. At the minute, Tom is looking for a crab, which I've told him not to, because we are not driving a crab home to its death, because he wants to eat one. I don't think he'll actually have the heart to do it, but I think because I'm saying no, we're not driving a crab home to its death and taking it away from its home as well, like give it a little bit of chance for survival from being cooked from anyone, especially us. So I think he's just trying to pull my leg here, but I also wouldn't put it past him. We're also doing this on Father's Day, aren't we, Paisley? So you've already given him his present. Yes, and you've also given him your card and my card and Kobe's card. He got 3 cards. How lucky! How lucky! But 1 present, which is still very lucky for. Yes, and a day with us. The only thing that will make it better, like we say, is Kobe in there, wouldn't it? Kobe. Kobe. Yeah. Let's see what we get up to today, shall we? Let's see, a day of adventures, a day of fun. Yay!
Yes, please. I've got the code 8991.
What can I get for you?
Hello. Could I have a medium Big Mac meal, please? What drink would you like with that?
Coffee, please. Vanilla latte.
A vanilla latte, please.
A latte.
What's the wrap of the day today, please?
Sweet chili.
I'll have one of those. And could you get a chicken mayo and a cheeseburger with that as well, please?
Engineers for you?
That's it, please. Lovely.
Would you like a bag?
Say again?
Would you like a bag with it?
Yeah, can do.
If you're both today, just sign first on the PC.
So, thank you very much. That's my stuff.
You came out of it for a few. Yeah. We're at a McDonald's drive-through and we're just at the car park and there's birds everywhere. So Tom's going to try, even though he's absolutely scared, he's going to try and put a bit of food on his shoulder, I think, or his head, and see if one comes to land on him. No, it's still waiting for you.
Just imagine a seagull fucking coming, so I'm just looking.
Paisley's fast asleep, bless her. And he's given up. Oh no. I'm actually going.
Yeah, don't worry, I'll turn around, I'll turn
I wish there was a sign to say what.
This place is mint. You've got a farm shop over there, and you can just come and look at the animals. You've got ostriches, you've got a camel from the Sahara Desert. Swear down.
Hello. So it is actually the next day. Yes, it is. It's the next day. And I forgot to shut the video. And I forgot to end the video. Now, we didn't end up doing anything other than going home and getting Kobe after that because it was raining and we just thought we're doing things to do things. So we went home, didn't we? We went and picked up Kobe. She's a future dancer like her mummy. I'm holding her vest down because she's got a nappy on, but it's not actually fastened. Yes, we've both woken up from a nap. Kobe's causing chaos. I bet the neighbours didn't miss Kobe. I'm just going to go and get him actually. And the day's going to consist of getting things ready, isn't it? So we're unpacking, we're doing washers, we are taking Kobe out for a WALK. Yes, we are. We're taking it for a WALK. Yes, we are. And I'm going to show you the front room actually because Tom has been to pick up some wardrobes, which was meant to be picked up 2 months ago, 3 months ago when we moved in. Yeah. And you should see our front room. The wardrobes are going upstairs, but this is the state of our front room. Brace yourself. So we've got Kobe. Did you miss us, Kobe? We missed you. It honestly feels more complete having Kobe with us. Some might say silly, some might get it. So we've got 2 wardrobes. They're both for Tom because I've got my wardrobe. Yeah. I don't know how we're going to get, well, when I say we, Tom is going to get these upstairs because, yeah. Then that's the pram, hot tub that Tom bought for my birthday that's still not being used. Yeah, it's just a whole bunch of chaos, really. But we're living for the chaos, aren't we, team? So next up, clean everything. And lots of cuddles for Kobe! Yes! Yes! So I'm going to leave the video here. I just wanted to give you a bit of an update, close it off a little bit and explain why yesterday finished so abruptly. Probably started quite abruptly as well because I'm in the same dress. Just thought I'd save washing, you know. And yes, and yeah, we like to do a dance a day at least. Usually Tom's involved as well. And yeah, at least one dance day. Keeps the doctor away, doesn't it, Kobe? Yes, it does. At least one dance a day keeps the doctor away. Yes! If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you'd like to see. These videos are more just my lifestyle at the minute, but also promoting whatever I believe in. So a lot of fitness related content, health, well-being, all of that good stuff. Q&A coming up soon, so leave any comments, any questions down below in the comments if you would like a question answering related to anything. I might do a favourites video at some point too, but yeah, let me know what you'd like to see, and if it kind of aligns with me, then I'll do it. Bye for now.